Listen up. What if I told you you could start making $100 a day online, right now, with zero experience and just free AI tools? Sounds crazy, I know. But stick with me. I'm going to break down the exact, simple process I use. No fluff, no complicated tech, just pure strategy. First, identify a simple online service people actually pay for. Think things like writing emails, creating basic social media posts, or summarizing articles. These are tasks many businesses and individuals need done regularly. They are willing to pay a small amount for someone to handle them. Here's where the magic happens. You don't need to be an expert. Free AI tools can perform these services for you quickly and efficiently. Use AI to draft that email, generate post ideas, or create a summary. It handles the heavy lifting, saving you time and effort. Now, find people who need your service. Freelance platforms are a great starting point. You can also reach out on social media or through your network. Offer your simple service, use the free AI to complete the task, and deliver it to your client. Charge a fair price for your time and the value you provide. Start small, maybe just 1 or 2 clients a day. As you get faster and more confident, take on more work. Making $100 a day is totally achievable by completing a few small tasks using this method. It's about leveraging free tools and meeting a simple need. This isn't hype, it's a practical approach. You have the tools available right now. Ready to give it a shot? Follow for more tips on using AI to build your online income.